Hello friends, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope you're all doing well and your exam preparations are going good too. In this video, we are going to discuss the unique features of joining the Oliveboard Telegram group. How will this help you in enhancing your preparations for the government and banking exams you're preparing for? Before we start with the video, don't forget to take up a free mock test provided by Oliveboard by clicking on the link given to you in the description box. So do take up a free mock test, analyze your performance and structure your preparations accordingly. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest videos. So the first and the foremost thing to look on to the Oliveboard Telegram group is that you can interact directly with our faculty members. So many of you must have been a part of the videos that are three faculties, that is Vivek sir, Mukesh sir and Harshita ma'am are conducting. So you can directly interact with these faculties. We will be providing you very high quality content for your exam preparations, and for your assistance you can interact directly with our faculty members and you can get all your doubts cleared on this Telegram group. Every day you get a question of the day for English, for quants as well as reasoning. So this is a very important thing. You get the question of the day, you solve it, you compete with your peers by solving it at the earliest, and along with the question of the day you get the tips and tricks, the preparation strategy for your examination, the study plan and the last minute tips before the exam by these Oliveboard experts. We don't just provide you question of the day and leave the rest on to you. Every day after 2 hours after posting the question of the day, the faculties will provide you the video solution of the question, which is exclusively available only on Telegram. So this will not be available anywhere else. So join our Telegram group to avail this opportunity. You can join the group by clicking on the link which is given to you in the description box. You get daily Hindu editorial vocabulary booster which will help you boost your English vocabulary, and you will be adding 15 to 20 words daily in your vocabulary along with their meaning and their usage. This is also very important because this will help you when you are solving questions from reading comprehension. You will also have synonyms and antonyms questions, and this vocabulary will help you solve them very easily. Not only a vocabulary booster, every day you get free study material as well as ebooks that are provided by Oliveboard, and all this is free of cost. Daily current affairs. Now you don't have to scroll through various websites to get daily updates, because this will consume a lot of your time, and you can save this time by just going to our Telegram group where every day we post the daily GK and the telegrams. So you don't have to filter out what is available or what is important for you and what is not important or what is not required from the examination point of view. We do all the filtering and get you the daily GK as well as current affairs, which is very crisp and concise for your bank and government exam preparations. You can also discuss with your peers. So since this is an online mode of your preparation and there's no classroom preparation, or you don't go interact with other people, on this platform you will have your friends and fellow aspirants with whom you can discuss all your doubts. So as we know, preparation is not only about competing with each other, but it is also about learning from each other. On our group, apart from discussing questions, there are other fellow aspirants who post questions and also share their study notes with the other aspirants, and this assures a healthy competition. Now, how can you join the Oliveboard Telegram group? First thing is you need to install Telegram on your mobile phones, or you can open Telegram on your desktop. You have to search for OB Banking, which is Oliveboard Banking, and join the group, and you can start posting and make the most of it by solving the question of the day. So you have daily questions of the day, you have the video solutions. As I told you, you can get study notes from your fellow aspirants, get all your doubts cleared by the experts. That's all we have for you in this video. I hope you liked the video. Do share it with your friends and ask all your friends to come join the Telegram group of Oliveboard. If you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now to not miss any videos from us. Thank you.